India's blueprint to end global hunger. For years, the story of global hunger has been a tragic one. But now there's a major plot twist. The UN's latest report shows that for the first time in a long time, the number of undernourished people in the world is actually falling. And the story of this success has a central character, that is India. Let's look at the numbers. Global undernourishment dropped from 688 million to 673 million. But look at India's contribution. Its rate of undernourishment fell significantly, pulling a staggering 30 million people out of hunger in just a few years. This is a massive reversal from the setbacks of the pandemic. So how do they do it? The answer isn't a mystery. It's a masterclass in digital governance. India completely revitalized its massive PDS, the public distribution system, the largest of its kind in the world. By integrating Aadhaar for biometric authentication, they cut down on waste and fraud. And with the One Nation, One Ration Card system, food security became portable for India's massive migrant workforce. This isn't just policy, it's a tech-powered lifeline for over 800 million people. But here's the crucial next chapter. Beating hunger is about more than just calories. It's about nutrition. And here, India still faces a huge challenge. Over 60% of the population still cannot afford a healthy diet. High prices, a lack of dietary diversity, and infrastructure gaps mean problems like obesity and micronutrient deficiencies persist alongside undernourishment. The goal has shifted from feeding people to nourishing people. The solution: transforming the entire agri-food system. This means initiatives like PM Poshan for school meals, boosting the production of nutrient-rich foods, building better cold chains to stop the 13% of the food lost after harvest, and supporting digital platforms like eNAM to give farmers better market access. It's about connecting the farmer's field to the family's plate more efficiently and nutritiously. India's journey proves that with smart policy, digital innovation, and relentless focus, the battle against hunger can be won. It's now providing a model for the entire world. The path to achieving UN's zero hunger goal by 2030 is difficult, but as this report shows that the path is being paved right now in India. What's your point on this? For a detailed explanation, log in to www.askuk.com, and for your convenience, the direct link to the login has been provided in the comment section of this video.